Good day! This is SmartWatchSpecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are on the second part review of our M9 Edge smartwatch. Previously, we do have a review or unboxing of the smartwatch, specifically for the specs and, of course, the design. Okay, and we have a bit of preview of its menus and functions of this wearable. So this time, we are going to explore more on its menus and main features, including the settings. So if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch. Let's check it out. Okay, again, we have here the crown button, and we have here the, I think this is a home or return button also. Okay, so let's try and let's check. So the crown button works. Okay, so just rotate it and you can scroll through the series of preloaded watch faces. On top we have, okay, I think this is for the notification messages. It's null as we did not yet connect it with the support app. On the other side, we have the shortcut for important settings of the smartwatch. Okay, so this one, as you can see here, we have the different style here. 5 menus. Okay, on the bottom part, we have the shortcut, as I have said. On the right side, okay, scrolling again to the different watch faces. Okay, if you press the crown button, it activates the main menu. So we have the dialer, phone book, heart rate, health, tricyclic. I guess this is the overall motion tracking. We do have an ECG, sports, camera, blood pressure, music control, reset, weather, anti-loss, sleep monitoring, menu style, message, stopwatch, the QR code. Okay, so this one, it is a different app here. Okay, it's not a Fit Pro, but it says here it is using the Fit Pro app, so we'll see. Okay, we do have a support for app notifications as Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp. So we have a support for Siri. This is for the AI voice, language support, and setting the time here. Okay, so going back, set date, backlight time, go back time. What else? That's it. So let's check. We do have the music for the sports. Let's check the sports. I'm interested with the sports. I tap on the sports. We do have the running, bike riding, strength training, basketball, tennis, volleyball, and football. So that's it. Running monitors for the time, beats per minute, calories, distance, and steps. What else? Okay, nothing else. That's it. So it monitors the basic, okay, metrics for your activity. Okay, stop. How about for the strength training? So it only monitors for the time, beats per minute, and of course calories. Stop. Going back. So let's check for the heart rate. So let's see the UI. So we have here some graphs. Okay, we did not see any lights here. Again, let's check. Okay, so it checks for the heart rate here. I don't know if this is just a random or not. Also have blood oxygen. I think we do have a blood pressure. Yes, we do have a blood pressure. So we do have a blood pressure. Okay, weather. So you need to connect it first with the support app to be able to have a result. Menu style, we have at least 5 menu style. Let's pick for the random here. So this one, okay. Again, how do you use this? Okay, okay. So it's not that smooth compared to other options, menu options. Okay, let's change it. About style number 3, let's check. Okay, so this one is a grid style. Going back, so again there's no split screen support. Style number 4. Okay, so this is the style number 4, much better than style number 5. Let's go back to style number 2. So we do have the QR code. So this one, I don't know if this is the new logo of Fit Pro. It seems like this is not a Fit Pro app. We'll see. Let's check the user manual here to make it sure. Okay. See, as you can see here, it is using the Hi Watch Pro. I guess there's some version of the smartwatch that is using the Hi Watch Pro. Okay, but it says here, as you can see, your witness, it is using the Fit Pro application. We will try if it will work with the Fit Pro app also or not. Okay. What do you expect with the smartwatches like this? It's an affordable, and of course there's some issues also with the product control quality. Okay, but I do hope that the Bluetooth call, maybe this is just a typo. Okay, let's give it a benefit of the doubt. We do hope that the Bluetooth call as well as the messaging also works, and the Bluetooth camera and music. Okay, the most important thing is that it works. Okay, again let's check. So T800 Pro Max, so it says here it's also a T800 Pro Max. Okay, so seems like we are just it is a rebrand. Okay, so this is also a T800 Pro Max. Okay, just a rebrand. Okay, seems like in every checking of the features here of the smartwatch, we discovered something, okay, confusing. You see it here, T800 Pro Max. So it's still in a Series 8, but it says here we do have the M9 Edge. Okay, so I guess just like other smartwatches, this is just a rebrand of another model. Okay, we don't know. Okay, we'll see as we go on and we explore more with the smartwatches. We'll check on the T800 Pro Max if they have the same features here with a M9 Edge. They say it's some M9 Edge, but we'll see. Okay, I'm pretty sure you are surprised. Anyway, we'll see. Okay, again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, bye.